Hello, welcome to your course on how to write a job winning cover letter. In this course, there are different modules, about 4 modules, and the first module we'll be looking at is the beginning. That means the beginning of you writing the cover letter. And in this module, we'll be looking at the first lesson is facts about cover letter. What are the background information you need to know about cover letter? Because your understanding of the cover letter will actually give you an opportunity to know what to write, how to write, and when to write. So what are the facts about cover letter? How do you even identify that the interviewer is asking you to submit a cover letter? What kind of words are used to replace cover letter? The first thing we will be considering is other titles that are used in place of cover letter, and some of these titles could be application letter, application essay, personal background letter, introduction letter, and motivation letter. Recruiters will ask you to submit, can ask you to submit a personal background information. That means they're asking for your cover letter. It's just simply your profile, like a summary of your profile and what you're applying for a particular role. So cover letter might not be asked directly. It could even come in form of a motivation letter. Why are you applying for this role, or why are you applying for this admission? Because cover letter is not only meant to be used for job application. You can also use it when you're looking for admission into schools. So some words are used interchangeably, and at the end of the day, all this just points to the fact that they want you to submit a cover letter. So another thing we are looking at is what is exactly the definition of cover letter. Cover letter can be seen as a statement of purpose demonstrating applicants fit for specific position. So it's like you're writing you're telling the interviewer the reason why you're applying for a particular role, or why you're applying for a particular admission into that school. So it's like an intent or purpose. What do I want to do? Why am I applying? And why do I need this job? So that is what cover letter is all about. Discussing with see it as a form of discussion with your friend. They are discussing your intent with your friend. So that is what cover letter is all about. It's also good to know that each cover letter should be customized for specific job vacancy. I've seen cover letters and I've received cover letters from candidates, and what I see is a cover letter that has been written for another job and they are using that same cover letter for another role. Sometimes we make a mistake because the roles can be similar or look alike, and you want to now adopt the previous cover letter you've written for a particular role for another role. In as much as it's not bad to do this, you also need to be careful, because when writing your cover letter, there are some buzzwords you should look out for, which are particular and specific to the role you're applying for. We are still going to talk at length in the course of this course, but at this point, I want you to know that your cover letter should be customized for a specific role, for a specific organization. One of the facts we're also looking at is knowing that cover letter is the first thing the recruiter will see. So if you have this at the back of your mind, it makes you to think about putting your best foot forward, because that is the first encounter the recruiter or an admission officer will probably see. So you want to put in your best in writing it. You want to know that you want this cover letter to open the door of opportunities, the job opportunity, admission opportunity for you. So you want to put in your best to write it. In the course of this course, we'll be discussing a lot about the cover letter writing. So thank you.